What's up, guys? Welcome back. Demon Slayer, Muichiro, Tokito, smiling. So this is a 3/4 pose of the Mist Hashira. So landscape page, pencil eraser for these, sketch it out lightly, hit pause. If I go too fast, you can always do ink on top of pencil. We are going to start with his large eye. We're just going to start with this curved eyelid line here. And he kind of has downturned kind of slightly, you know, it goes lower down here because it's on that head tilt. So then you want to make it sort of thicker, right? So you want to like add a spike on the corner there and another one sort of here, and then we'll just bring this across the top like so, and then they add a little eyelash line there and another one at the front, and then we want to color inside black. Okay, just make this a bit spikier. Right, so bottom eyelid line, it's kind of like a little V sort of shape in Demon Slayer, and it can be a little bit thicker in the middle sometimes, not all the time, but in this one it is. He's got like an extra line here. Okay, so real big green eyes, right? So big curve line here, another one here, and they don't draw in his what's it called, pupil. So that what they do is they do hatching, right? So they go like inside this, they go with these sort of hatching lines across, right? Just in the middle here. And then up underneath the eyelid, they get a bit longer, like that. It's just like it's supposed to be sort of a shadow, like that. Okay, and then they do like a darker shade of green inside. Okay, and then we have the eyelid lines on the top, curving around like so. And then an eyebrow just above that, again sort of slanted down kind of a shape just down there. And with the eyebrows, we want to thick up this area, like you want to make it like heavier, darker sort of than the end. The end is just like real thin going that way, and then you want to color this dark. Okay, so his other eye, small eye, is in behind the nose, right? And the nose comes down sort of from his eyebrow area, right? So about level with the eyebrow. You want to curve down like that, right? So that's like the bridge of the nose. Okay. And then the other eye is just comes out from here, and it's like slightly smaller. It's because we're in 3/4 pose, so it's about 3/4 the size of this eye. You got a little spike, and then this will go around into the nose again, and we have a little spike sticking off here. I'm gonna color that black. Bottom eyelid, again, it's like a little V sort of shape, like so, and we can thicken up this way in the middle, and then a line like so. And then big green eye, curving line there, goes underneath the eyelid and back around the other side. And again, no pupil, they just do hatching lines where the pupil would be, you know. Just like a bit of shading, and it gets real long underneath the eyelash here. Okay, and they do like a darker shade of green around here, but it's done with color, it's not drawn in. So his eyelid line then, so it just comes out from just above here, so curve it around like so, and then the eyebrows up the top like that. And it's kind of darker in close to the nose, and then goes down behind his forehead back there, and there his eyes. So his nose then, so in Demon Slayer they don't draw in much for the nose, right? They just do like a little bit of hatching sort of in this spot here like that, and then they do like the tip, so it goes down like that, and they tend to add a bit of a shadow just in this, so they make it a little bit darker in there. And then there's a nostril line. So his mouth then, right, he's smiling, so he's got like little dimples on the corner, right? So just these little dots will help you, will guide you to where we want the smile to go. And they bring a line curving, right, across from here. Let me just make it sort of a bit smoother. And there's this smile that Tanjiro got back from. And then his shadow underneath, that Demon Slayer triangle, that's underneath their bottom lip. And then the chin, just here. Okay. Now remember, in 3/4 pose, we're different both sides, right? So we got jaw here and cheek on this side. So the jaw goes up this way and will touch his ear just underneath his hair, right? So you want to stop about mouth level here. So like the jaw is usually underneath the, say, the corner of his eye, the jawbone. And then we'll go out for the cheek, curves around, goes around into the eye. There. So you got this kind of wine glass shape. And then this kicks out around for his forehead. So it goes out like that. And then up underneath his fringe up there somewhere. So he's got a fringe that comes the whole way across his head. So we got like some spikes like this, right? Okay, and another one here. Each of these kind of like joins his head, sort of going up this way. Got the biggest one here sort of in the middle. And I think there's another one that comes out from behind his eye area there. Then there's these bumps on the top. Top of the head. And then his hair gets real long, sort of down the back, right? So it starts to bump down this way. And then another spike here. Right, and then he has those long pieces of hair that come down the like side of his head, sort of here, right? So it goes down, and we can see some of his ear here. And then we have some big spikes, and down the back. Let's see, what way does that go? Okay, so we'll go this way, right? There's a little kick out here, and then another line going that way. And so I think this goes. I'm gonna guess now. You could probably do this any old way, really, but that way. So then that goes down into there. There's another line going here. And then there's a bigger one. Curves its way up here. Down like that. And then we go. So that means this black line, I think, connects with something here. And then this one curves back into there. And there's all this other black hair here. Right, so the rest kind of goes behind his shoulder, right? So we got to get that in, right? So the back of his neck, I think we can see it just here, under his ear, and there's like some ear lines and stuff here. Front of his neck, there. And then his white Demon Slayer collar coming along the back. They do neck muscles here. There's like a real dark shadow here. It's either his hair or dark shadow. I'm not sure which. So, like, you know, the back of his hair there, but it could be a shadow. And there's a bit of a shadow underneath his chin as well. Right, and then, so basically his shoulder sort of bumps here and then around, down. Another shoulder line down there. Oh, here. Right, and then so you can basically just add some more streaks of hair, just all flowing this way, because he has like crazy long hair. And then the rest of the collar, so it comes around this way. And we have a white side over here too, another little bump like that. Top of the collar is white, has a line in the middle of it. Another one on this side. And then there's a seam that runs down here. And then we got buttons. Maybe another, we can probably see like the top of another one there. Then there's a rectangular pocket. That side. Some more hair here, but first we got his shoulder and chest just coming down this way. And then some more long hair over here. So you just, anyway, really, it's like these crazy big long strands of hair coming down there. Another one here. Kind of reminds me of Nezuko's hair. Except his is green and hers is pink or red. Pink or red, I can't remember now. Probably neither. It's probably purple or something. Okay, so he's got like green ends to some of these, but that's the color. You don't really draw it in with a line anyway. And that's black all in there. Okay, I think that's everything. Sometimes I miss things. Maybe there's another line there. No, that's it. Mist Hashira's Smile, Tokito. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.